Hello again and welcome to part 2 of the video which titled I'm new, what is the first step? In this part, we will continue the discussion and we'll take it to the next step so that you learn the process from start to finish. In part 1 of this lecture, we explained that you need to find a broker to open an account and transfer money to your investing account so that you can place your first trade. However, while opening an account with a broker, you're probably asked a few questions as part of the account setup. One of the questions would be, do you want to open a self-directed account or an externally professionally managed account? The answer to this question is quite straightforward if you want to only make no more than 2 to 6% a year. Banks and retail fund managers take advantage of your lack of information and your tendency to leave the hard work to someone else, so they offer you a ridiculous annual profit of 2 to 6% while they deduct their own management fees from your minuscule profit. In the last videos, we explained to you how easy it is to buy an ETF that tracks S&P 500 and make at least 15% return without having to spend even 1 minute in the market. We are in it to win it. We're investing in the stock market to make profits beyond 20% with our own knowledge. So, forget about banks and mutual funds, and let's open a self-directed investment account. Once you open a self-directed investment account, there exist different subcategory account types depending on the country you live in. If you live in the US, you have cash and margin account. Cash account is basically a typical checking account where you trade only with your own money. That is, if you transfer $1,000 to your cash account, you will only have $1,000 to trade. Makes sense, right? This is the type of account that is recommended to newbies, as it doesn't have any margin call risk, which will be explained later. Margin account is a type of account by which you are allowed to get leverage from a broker to trade beyond your capital. In other words, if you transfer $1,000 to your margin account, depending on the security you want to buy, broker will also spot you to buy more. Why depending on the security? One reason is brokers simply trust a few stocks more than the others. For instance, if you buy shares of Apple, brokers would be like, Apple is a pretty reliable company, and chances of a $1 trillion company going bankrupt overnight is very slim. So, let's give this guy $3,000, which is 3 times more than his initial investment to buy more. Sounds wonderful, no? Not really. It is like a double-edged sword. If for some reason Apple goes down and your balance goes beyond negative $1,000, brokers would not hesitate to sell your shares without your permission in order to save themselves pretty quickly. We have a full video explaining this in our basic series, which is in our silver video pack. So don't forget to check out our basic series, which will be launched very soon. If you live in Canada, you'll have more options: TFSA and RSP. In TFSA, whatever you win, you don't have to pay a dime tax to the government. It is like a tax-free cash account. In RSP, you can win as much as you want and not pay tax to the government unless you want to take your money out of your RSP and use it elsewhere. They are both investing options for few investors and the ones who can grow their capital pretty fast without having to pay any tax to the government. I know you want to jump into the investment and executing your first trade beyond this point, but you have to be patient a little more. Before trading with your own money, let's practice a little bit. Paper money trading is a feature that's offered by most reputable brokers to prepare you for actual trading in the real stock market. Basically, they give you a hefty amount of fake money, say $100,000, and let you trade with it. Of course, there are pros and cons. The benefits are you won't lose at all. Emotionless trading, practicing and learning, and building confidence. The downsides are you won't win anything real either. You won't experience taking real risks, and there will be no commission. Market newbies strongly suggest paper trading for a few months first until you feel comfortable to trade with your own real money. Now that you are aware of the steps to make your first trade, you have a decision to make. Would you like to start learning the principles of trading properly and be successful? Or do you just want to skip the necessary learning and jump right into real trading? We recommend the first option, of course. we have 4 packages to offer you for you to start your journey. The Bronze Pack, where we offer tons of free materials on our website, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and WeChat channels. These free materials include, but are not limited to, market insight and updates, news and news analysis, free general educational videos, results of our buy and sell trades, fundamental and technical analysis of selected companies, and answering your general questions about stock market. The Silver Pack. We offer high-quality, detailed videos focusing on different trading markets. These videos are intended for our newbies and less experienced traders to acquire and improve their trading skills in a practical and simple manner. In this pack, we have 6 modules, which are the Basic Investor, Intermediate Investor, Forex Trading, Option Trading, Day Trading, CFD, and Future Trading. Each module contains more than 200 minutes of videos, which go into granular details and offer various examples that reflect real-life trading experiences. This way, you will learn the intricacy of trading and be able to face and manage different scenarios. Here's an important difference that we have from others. Buying our Silver Pack is not a one-time deal. Once you buy our videos, you also connect with our teaching community. Remember our slogan, we are approachable. Ask us questions about the videos. Is there any part you did not fully understand? Our representatives are here to help you learn and address any question you may have. How to connect us if you have a question about the videos? Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and through our website. Regardless of the numbers of modules you purchase from us, you will have our full support. The Go Pack. If you want to go beyond videos and get an investment coach to teach you all the concepts, Go Pack is for you. You will book time with one of our coaches to get online education for either 10 hours a month or 20 hours a month, depending on your preference. This is a full-scale educational package where you get to ask questions live and learn as you go. In addition to this, if you purchase the Go Pack, you automatically receive the Silver Pack for free. The Diamond Pack. Market Newbie's Diamond Pack is for elite traders who have shown sufficient skills and are able to trade advanced financial instruments such as future, options, CFD, and others. Those who purchase Diamond Pack will get to know what we buy, what we sell, when we buy, when we sell, and how many of each share and option. This pack is offered to those who have successfully finished the Go Pack or more experienced traders who have shown us that they are competent enough to carry out similar trades we do in our platform. Members of our Diamond Club do not get advice from us with respect to what they should buy or sell. Instead, they simply have access to view what we buy and what we sell. There are a lot of bonuses and fair return policies that are offered in Diamond Pack. For more information, contact us through our website and social media. Please note that our ultimate goal is to teach you fishing as opposed to giving you sell-by alerts. Although it is easy to demand money for sell-by alerts, you will always be dependent on your coach. This is not what we intend to do, and we want to build a strong community of traders who can grow their capital independent of anybody else and have successful investing experience, gaining well beyond the small returns that banks and mutual funds can offer. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is right there on the bottom right corner of the screen. Check out our website and our Facebook and Instagram channel as well. See you in the next video.